На кампусе место и люди.
The campus.
Кампус.
The campus.
The campus.
The campus.
A dormitory.
Общежитие.
A dormitory.
A dormitory.
A dormitory.
The dean's office.
Деканат.
The dean's office.
The dean's office.
The dean's office.
A postgraduate.
Аспирант.
A postgraduate.
A postgraduate.
A postgraduate.
A professor.
Профессор.
Professor.
A professor.
A professor.
A tutor.
Куратор. Репетитор.
Tutor.
A tutor.
A tutor.
A faculty.
Факультет.
Faculty.
A faculty.
A faculty.
A lecture hall.
Лекционный зал.
A lecture hall.
A lecture hall.
A lecture hall.
A laboratory.
Лаборатория.
A laboratory.
A laboratory.
A laboratory.
The student union.
Студенческий союз.
The student union.
The student union.
The student union.
В аудитории. Обучение и взаимодействие.
A lecture.
Лекция.
A lecture.
A lecture.
A lecture.
A seminar.
Семинар.
A seminar.
A seminar.
A seminar.
The syllabus.
Учебный план.
The syllabus.
The syllabus.
The syllabus.
An assignment.
Задание.
An assignment.
An assignment.
An assignment.
A group project.
Групповой проект.
A group project.
A group project.
A group project.
To take notes.
Делать записи.
To take notes.
To take notes.
To take notes.
Class participation.
Участие в занятии.
Class participation.
Class participation.
Class participation.
A discussion.
Дискуссия.
A discussion.
A discussion.
A discussion.
A field trip.
Экскурсия.
A field trip.
A field trip.
A field trip.
Научная работа. Исследование и написание.
An essay.
Эссе.
An essay.
An essay.
An essay.
A research paper.
Научная работа.
A research paper.
A research paper.
A research paper.
A thesis.
Дипломная работа.
A thesis.
A thesis.
A thesis.
A dissertation.
Диссертация.
A dissertation.
A dissertation.
A dissertation.
To cite a source.
Цитировать источник.
To cite a source.
To cite a source.
To cite a source.
A bibliography.
Библиография.
A bibliography.
A bibliography.
A bibliography.
Plagiarism.
Плагиат.
Plagiarism.
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 To conduct research.
Проводить исследование.
To conduct research.
To conduct research.
To conduct research.
Data analysis.
Анализ данных.
Data analysis.
Data analysis.
Data analysis.
A hypothesis.
Гипотеза.
A hypothesis.
A hypothesis.
A hypothesis.
A draft.
Черновик.
A draft.
A draft.
A draft.
To proofread.
Вычитывать.
To proofread.
To proofread.
To proofread.
В библиотеке. Ресурсы и учеба.
A library card.
Читательский билет.
A library card.
A library card.
A library card.
To borrow a book.
Взять книгу.
To borrow a book.
To borrow a book.
To borrow a book.
To return a book.
Вернуть книгу.
To return a book.
To return a book.
To return a book.
The due date.
Срок возврата.
The due date.
The due date.
The due date.
An overdue fine.
Штраф за просрочку.
An overdue fine.
An overdue fine.
An overdue fine.
A study room.
Комната для занятий.
A study room.
A study room.
A study room.
Academic journals.
Научные журналы.
Academic journals.
Academic journals.
Academic journals.
An archive.
Архив.
An archive.
An archive.
An archive.
A librarian.
Библиотекарь.
A librarian.
A librarian.
A librarian.
Оценки и экзамены.
A final exam.
Выпускной экзамен.
A final exam.
A final exam.
A final exam.
A midterm.
Промежуточный.
A midterm.
A midterm. An oral exam.
An oral exam.
To pass an exam.
Сдать экзамен.
To pass an exam.
To pass an exam.
Провалить экзамен.
To fail an exam.
To fail an exam.
To fail an exam.
To get a grade.
Получить оценку.
To get a grade.
To get a grade.
To get a grade.
A transcript.
Выписка с оценками.
A transcript.
A transcript.
A transcript.
To cheat.
Списывать.
To cheat.
To cheat.
To cheat.
GPA, grade point average.
Средний балл.
GPA, grade point average.
GPA, grade point average.
GPA, grade point average.
To resit an exam.
Пересдавать экзамен.
To resit an exam.
To resit an exam.
To resit an exam.
An assessment.
Оценивание.
An assessment.
An assessment.
An assessment.
Студенческая жизнь, мероприятия и общение.
Extracurricular activities.
Внеучебные занятия.
Extracurricular activities.
Extracurricular activities.
Extracurricular activities.
A student club.
Студенческий клуб.
A student club.
A student club.
A student club.
Freshers Week.
Неделя первокурсника.
Freshers Week.
Freshers Week.
Freshers Week.
A campus tour.
Тур по кампусу.
A campus tour.
A campus tour.
A campus tour.
To socialize.
Общаться.
To socialize.
To socialize.
To socialize.
A roommate.
Сосед по комнате.
A roommate.
A roommate.
A roommate.
A graduation ceremony.
Церемония вручения дипломов.
A graduation ceremony.
A graduation ceremony.
A graduation ceremony.
An alumnus.
Выпускник.
An alumnus.
An alumnus.
An alumnus.
Student discounts.
Студенческие скидки.
Student discounts.
Student discounts.
Student discounts.
To hang out.
Проводить время.
To hang out.
To hang out.
To hang out.
Администрация и формальности.
To enroll in a course.
Записаться на курс.
To enroll in a course.
To enroll in a course.
To enroll in a course.
Tuition fees.
Плата за обучение.
Tuition fees.
Tuition fees.
Tuition fees.
A scholarship.
Стипендия.
A scholarship.
A scholarship.
A scholarship.
A student loan.
Студенческий кредит.
A student loan.
A student loan.
A student loan.
Registration.
Регистрация.
Registration.
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 An academic advisor.
Научный руководитель.
An academic advisor.
An academic advisor.
An academic advisor.
To drop a course.
Семестр.
A semester.
A semester.
A semester.
A degree.
Ученая степень.
A degree.
A degree.
A degree.
A credit.
Зачетная единица.
Credit.
A credit.
A credit.
Академические глаголы и фразы.
To analyze data.
To analyze data.
To analyze data.
To define a term.
Дать определение термину.
To define a term.
To define a term.
To define a term.
To evaluate an argument.
Оценить аргумент.
To evaluate an argument.
To evaluate an argument.
To evaluate an argument.
To illustrate a point.
Проиллюстрировать мысль.
To illustrate a point.
To illustrate a point.
To illustrate a point.
To summarize a text.
Обобщить текст.
To summarize a text.
To summarize a text.
To summarize a text.
To compare and contrast.
Сравнить и сопоставить.
To compare and contrast.
To compare and contrast.
To compare and contrast.
To interpret results.
Интерпретировать результаты.
To interpret results.
To interpret results.
To interpret results.
To demonstrate understanding.
Демонстрировать понимание.
To demonstrate understanding.
To demonstrate understanding.
To demonstrate understanding.
To hypothesize.
Выдвигать гипотезу.
To hypothesize.
To hypothesize.
To hypothesize.
To revise an essay.
Редактировать эссе.
To revise an essay.
To revise an essay.
To revise an essay.
To present findings.
Представлять результаты.
To present findings.
To present findings.
To present findings.